Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to follow people on Twitter. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. You should tap on the search button down below, which is the second option. And here, as you can see, there is the who to follow section, which are basically recommendations based on your preferences that you have selected when you have created your account. So tap on the follow button if you want to follow these users. However, if you have a particular person in mind that you want to search for, tap on the search Twitter box at the top of the screen and type in the name of that person that you are interested in. You can read their tweets, replies, and so on. And if you want to follow them, tap on the follow button. Here you can turn on notifications when that particular person tweets. So you can also unfollow them if you are no longer interested in their activity by tapping on the following button and then click on unfollow. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.